Welcome back to my channel. It's Crazy and again. I'm in Dubai. Look at this view, city view. Beautiful. Doot, doot, doot. Oh my god. Good morning, people. We just wake up and we now walking to the beach. We walk into from this bridge to the beach, just in front of us. And they still have a lot of building. It's instruction. Wow, you can hear the music from here. That's crazy. How amazing is that? So here is the Dubai Eye. They're doing like exactly same like the London Eye, but this one it goes under the water, so you can see the fish. It's cool, and they have a lot of restaurants. Here we go. This is the beach. Camels walking on the beach. It's nice view. Oops. And you have a shisha bar here, smoky bar. This is all the building. Every building looks different. Hello.
I think we got selfie.
No. So here is the fake beach. It's fake. Everything is fake. It's nice, yeah. Very nice. They have a lot of I can see, I can swap the camera here. So over there you have a lot of a place you can sit down. Yeah, lie down on the beach here. So fancy seat. I think you have to pay for it anyway. And yeah, and this one is the kind of like a mall, and you have a lot of restaurants. Just leave behind there. It's very close to the beach, by 5-minute walk. Beautiful. See you. It's very dark. Pool table. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. We are in the Kai beach. It's beautiful. It's huge here. Oh my god, look at this. I know it's a fake beach, but it looks beautiful. Very nice sunshine. Behind that you see you have I think it's Marina City. Yeah. If you get a taxi here around like just £10 something, 11 maybe, yeah, around £11. This is old Dubai, old town. So it's more like just relax, more normal style, not fancy style. So Are we going to the old town from this way? Hopefully, we will get something to see. We are in the old town. That's cute. Yeah, small little bag.
I have more nice souvenirs inside. I give you for free.
It's a lot, a lot.
Look, if you want something like that for the safari,
Can we?
just in case if later you want to take any picture or whatever.
Bling, bling, bling. It's just part of it.
So give me one.
What's that?
The sugar cane. You want with a little bit of ice?
I want this one.
Yeah, because I know that if not, it will be.
You want this juice?
Yeah, we have
Yeah, we're gonna try one.
Okay.
We don't have the money. I should have money here, sir.
You get what if I want it? Huh?
I have here, sir.
Get it.
I get one because I don't know if you will like it. I've tried so many times here, but I don't know if you will like it. So I prefer to No, sure.
Don't worry, I'll follow you. I'm right behind you.
I look for me. This is the one that you have.
The biggest ring in the whole world.
More peanuts.
Wow! Oh my God!
You have everything.
Oh.
You make us look here. And then you eat it.
Oh yeah, here we go. We're eating the Filipino food. Where's Gabby?
Now it's just
Yeah, yeah, here we go.